Are you struggling to make your online business stand out in the crowded digital marketplace? Unlock the secrets to online success with Small Business Management for Online Business. Whether you're just starting out or looking to scale, this guide has the tools you need. Master the basics of web development, from HTML to dynamic pages with CSS and JavaScript. Create engaging web pages that captivate your audience and keep them coming back. Discover cutting-edge SEO strategies to boost your search engine rankings. Leverage social media to amplify your brand presence and reach your target audience. Turn followers into loyal customers with effective online reputation management. Set up a profitable online store with robust web hosting and design. Analyze web traffic and customer behavior to make data-driven decisions. Harness the power of user-generated content and community participation. Build meaningful connections through innovative marketing strategies. Learn from expert Nikolai Svetku, who brings years of experience in online business management. Implement step-by-step strategies for real-world results. Web 2.0 technologies make it easier than ever to contribute, share, and collaborate online. Crowdsourcing allows you to tap into the creativity and intelligence of a large number of people. Agile web development ensures greater responsiveness to client requests. E-marketing helps manage your web presence and maintain a consistent brand image. Social networks connect you with friends, associates, and potential customers. Social commerce uses social networks for e-commerce transactions. Understand the economic issues and reputation management in the digital age. Learn the principles of agile web development for iterative and adaptive project management. Explore the different technologies for client-side and server-side web programming. Discover the advantages and disadvantages of various web development tools. Understand the importance of web design in creating a user-friendly experience. Learn about the different types of web hosting and their applications. Explore the key indicators and technologies for web analytics. Understand the marketing mix and how to apply it to your online business. Discover the different branches of marketing and their applications. Learn about the various types of online advertising and their effectiveness. Explore the principles of social media optimization and its benefits. Take charge of your online success with Nikolai Svetku as your mentor.